Hello and welcome back to Plant Layout in Pursuit of Operational Excellence, an InvestNI video tutorial. In this chapter, we'll discuss various types of process mapping and how they can help inform your layout design decision. There are many mapping tools that can help you visualize how materials pass through your factory. SIPOC stands for Suppliers, Inputs, Process, Outputs and Customers. It's a visual tool for documenting how materials move through your business from beginning to end. You might hear them referred to as high-level process maps, and as the name implies, they tend to be light on detail. There's 6 steps to drawing one. Draw up a table with a column for each part of the business. Start in the process column and write down all the processes that the business performs. Keep it reasonably general, decorating a cake rather than applying blue icing, for instance. Determine all the outputs of the process being evaluated. List all the customers who receive the outputs. These can be internal or external customers. If they're downstream processes, the outputs of this system are the inputs of the following system. Go back and think of the inputs needed for the established process. List all the suppliers of the inputs. Again, these can be internal or external suppliers. A flowchart is a visual representation of the steps and choices in a process. They're a popular tool in business communication because they're visual, simple, and easy to understand. Each step in the process is visualized in a shape. The shapes are linked by directional arrows, showing the flow of the process. Breaking down processes into smaller steps in this way helps to reveal areas of operating inefficiency and opportunities for improvement. A swim lane diagram is a type of flowchart that distinguishes job sharing and responsibilities in a process. Each lane is dedicated to an employee, workgroup, or department. They show connection lines of communication and handoffs between these lines at each step in the process. These kinds of diagrams help to highlight waste and redundancy and make clear who's responsible for each step of the process. Value stream maps visualize steps of a process from collecting inputs to delivering the product to the customer. They share many features with flowcharts, but include details of material and information flows. They include all value-adding and non-value-adding steps in the process. Yamazumi is a Japanese word that means to stack up. Toyota uses Yamazumi charts to visually represent the work content in a series of tasks. These charts facilitate work balancing and help to isolate and eliminate non-value-adding work. Each task of a process is individually represented in a stacked bar chart. These can be categorized as value-added, non-value-added, or waste. The mean duration of each task is recorded on the bar chart. Each task of the process is stacked to represent the entire stage. The vertical axis measures time. A target cycle time is plotted to help line balancing. All these tools have their place in designing your plant layout. They can help you collect data and put it to the best use in designing for efficiency. In the next chapter, we'll look at how good layout principles might be applied to sectors outside manufacturing. Catch you there.